The Canary Islands, an archipelago located off the northwest coast of Africa, boast a rich history and unique mysteries that intrigue visitors and researchers alike. Here are some mysteries associated with the Canary Islands. First, the Guanches civilization. The original inhabitants of the Canary Islands were the Guanches, a mysterious and enigmatic people with a distinct culture and language. Their origins and how they arrived on the islands remain debated among historians and archaeologists. Some theories suggest they may have come from North Africa, while others propose they could have had connections to ancient Mediterranean civilizations or even the lost city of Atlantis. Next we have the Pyramids of Güímar. In the town of Güímar on the island of Tenerife, there are 6 pyramidal structures known as the Pyramids of Güímar. These structures, made of lava stone, have sparked curiosity and debate about their origin and purpose. Some theories suggest they could be ancient astronomical observatories or ceremonial sites, while others speculate about possible connections to cultures like the Guanches or even ancient Egyptians. Another mystery of the Canary Islands is the lost city of Atlantis. The Canary Islands have been linked to the legendary lost city of Atlantis, described by Plato in his dialogues. Some theories propose that the Canary Islands could be remnants of the lost civilization, and there have been speculations about underwater archaeological discoveries, or hidden structures that could provide evidence of Atlantis's existence. The La Cueva de los Verdes is on the island of Lanzarote. They are fascinating lava tube system called La Cueva de los Verdes. This underground network of caves has intriguing geological formations and a unique acoustics phenomenon. Legends and folklore surround the caves, adding to their mystique and raising questions about their use by ancient civilizations. Finally, we have the Guanche mummies. Archaeological discoveries of mummified remains belonging to the Guanches have raised questions about their burial practices, beliefs about the afterlife, and cultural customs. The preservation of these mummies has provided valuable insights into the Guanche civilization, but also sparked curiosity about the rituals and mysteries surrounding their mummification process. While these mysteries add to the allure of the Canary Islands, they also highlight the importance of ongoing research, exploration, and preservation of the archipelago's rich cultural and historical heritage.